Hello students, today we are going to learn about a web hosting. Web hosting is a service that allows organization and individuals to post a website or web page onto the internet. A web host or web hosting service provider is a business that provides the technologies and services needed for the website or web page to be viewed in the internet. Websites are hosted or stored on special computers called servers. When internet users want to view your website, all they need to do is type your website address or domain into their browser. Their computer will then connect to your server and your web pages will be delivered to them through the browser. Most hosting companies require that you own your domain in order to host with them. If you do not have a domain, the hosting companies will help you to purchase a one. Web hosting is the service that makes your website available to be viewed by others on the internet. A web host provides space on its server so that other computers around the world can access your website by means of a network or modem. Web hosting is a service of providing online space for storage of web pages. These web pages are made available via a World Wide Web. The companies which offer website hosting are known as web host. The servers on which website is hosted remain switched on 24/7. These servers are run by web hosting companies. Each server has its own IP address. Since IP addresses are difficult to remember, therefore webmaster points their domain name to the IP address of the server their website is stored on. It is not possible to host your website on your local computer. To do so, you would have to leave your computer on 24 hours a day. This is not practical. This is not practical and cheaper as well. This is where web hosting companies comes in. Web hosting is a service that allows organization and individuals to post a website or web page onto the internet. A web host or web hosting service provider is a business that provides the technologies and services needed for the website or the web page to be viewed in the internet. Now, there are different types of web hosting: free hosting, shared hosting, reseller hosting, and dedicated hosting. Now, what do you mean by a free hosting? It can be a best choice when you want to build a non-commercial website for fun. In free hosting, you can get some space from server totally free. What do you mean by a shared hosting? It allows multiple websites to utilize a single server. It is very cheapest and most economical option for your needs. However, most of the hosting companies offer the same amount of space and storage. So, it is very important to choose a company you can trust. Reseller hosting. A reseller acts as a middleman and sells hosting space of someone else's server. Now, a dedicated hosting. In this kind of hosting, single dedicated server is set up for just one customer. It is commonly used by the businesses that need the power, control, and security that a dedicated server offers.